Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy vegetarian nachos. This meal is great to feed a large number of people, even great for parties or gathering. Today's recipe is going to be used to feed for up to 8 people for 3 meals, and it's great for freezing in the freezer for days when you're too busy to cook. And also it's a very budget friendly meal. So we have here in front of us 1 kilo of yellow peas, 2 medium-sized onion chopped. We have 4 cans. I'm using the mixed beans, but you can use kidney beans, you can use cannellini beans or any other beans you like. So I've got 4 cans of that, 4 cans of chopped tomatoes, 6 cans of baked beans. Then for the spices, we have a tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of cumin powder, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of Mexican spice. And then for garnishing on top, we have the minced parsley, sour cream, grated cheese, and all the different salad. Plus we're using Doritos corn chips, but you can use any other brand you like. So let's get started. Then we're just gonna add in the chopped onion. So now the onion is soft, we are going to add in the yellow peas. So all the yellow peas. And then the chopped tomato. And all the beans, make sure you drain out the liquid. I'm going to stir that in. And now we're just going to leave it to boil and check on it every 5 minutes. Now it's boiled. Just going to stir, and forgot to mention in the introduction for the ingredient, I'm going to add in half cup of water. And then all the spices. And I'm going to let it simmer for about half an hour. And just keep stirring every 5 minutes. So it's not sticking. Just reduce the heat to medium-low and just let it simmer. After half an hour, now we are going to check on it. Give it a stir, and we're just going to add in all the baked beans. About 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1/4 tablespoon of sugar. Salt and sugar to taste. And I'm just gonna let it boil again. Make sure you stir every 5 minutes so it's not sticking on the bottom of the pot. So let it simmer and let it boil. Now it's boiled, we're just going to check, give it a stir, and we're just going to taste and see whether we need to add more seasoning. So now we are ready to serve. It's all cooked. So just switch off the heat and let's serve. So here's our vegetarian nachos. We're ready to serve. So to serve, you just put in some salad on a plate. Roll your salad up. Just put your nacho chips on the plate. And just put the vegetarian beans on the top. top with cheese. And then sour cream. And then some parsley. So here's your vegetarian nachos ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed tonight's cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, so that I can produce more videos like this. Look forward to see you again next time.